Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with another video, and today I'll show you guys how to make a date picker on Android Studio. Now date pickers are really good because you can select a date, you can let users select the date in your app, and then you can do stuff with it. If you guys like the videos, then please hit the subscribe button and please like the videos. It helps me a lot and I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get to it. So I already made a empty activity here, date picker, and yep, I'll show you guys how to make a date picker right now. So first we're gonna go to our layout and we're gonna go to code. I'll delete this. We're gonna make a text view. Actually, I'm gonna do a relative layout. Alright, text view. I'm gonna wrap content. I'm gonna set the text to select a date. Gonna make it bigger. Text size 50 dp, or I should use SP, huh? Alright. Center horizontal true, center vertical true. Alright, so we're done with this part of the layout. Obviously I'm just doing this, I'm just adding a text view so you can click on it and it shows the date picker, but you guys can put other things if you want, and when you click it, it shows the date picker. Alright, so now that we finished making the layout, let's initialize it. So I'm gonna add a global variable here, DatePickerDialog. This is the one we want, date picker, and also we have to make it a text view. Import text view equals find view by id r.id dot. Oh, we haven't given ID, my bad. We're gonna give this ID of date text. There we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make it so if you click the text view, the date picker shows up. So we're gonna do text view dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and I'm gonna pass it to a method which is gonna do all that stuff. So now we're gonna make the method. Alright, so now we have to also initialize the date picker. We haven't done that yet, so let's do that. Equals new date picker dialog. Now over here we have to pass some constructors. The first one is gonna be context, so I'm gonna do main activity dot this. Alright, so for the next constructor we have to pass it's the style. So there's variations of styles that you can use, but what I'm going to use is this one right here. Alright, so for the next thing that we have to pass these on date set listener. So we can either do this, date picker dot set on date listener, new on set listener. We can either do that, or we can make one up here. So date picker dialog dot on date set listener, date picker on listener. So now that we made our date picker on listener, we can just pass it up down here, picker on listener. This is much better because we can then initialize the date picker on listener in another method. Now over here we have to pass in a year, day of month, and the month in ints. So what we can do is make a calendar equals calendar.get instance. We can do int year equals calendar.get calendar.year. This will return the current year. We can do int month equals calendar.get calendar.month. Int day of month equals calendar.get calendar.day of month. Alright, so now we can just pass in year, month, and day of month. Alright, so now our date picker is initialized. So now we have to show the date picker, but before that I'm gonna add something here. DatePicker dot get window dot set background drawable, new color drawable, color dot transparent. So what this does is it sets the background of the date picker transparent, so you'll just see like a mini, what do you call it, a mini window, and the background will be transparent. Another thing, if you want to cancel future dates so that users cannot pick future dates, you can do this. DatePicker.get DatePicker.setMaxDate System.currentTime in millis. So what this does is it sets the max date to whatever the current date is right now. And we're gonna pass in DatePicker.show. Alright, so keep in mind we haven't initialized the date picker on listener, so let's go ahead and do that. So over here I'm gonna do date picker on listener equals new date picker, or DatePickerDialog to on set listener. So after we initialize our date picker on listener to set date listener, we get this method on date set. So what this method does is whenever you press OK on the date picker, when you choose your date and you press OK, this saves your date and it gives you the method, so now you can manipulate with it. One more thing, the month starts from 0, so January is 0, then February is 1. So if you put 1, it's not going to be January, it's going to be February. Now to fix that, I'm going to do month equals month plus 1. Right, so now for my purposes, I want the text view to update. Whenever I press OK, I want the text view to update it to the date that I chose. So for that reason, I'm gonna do string formatted date equals, I'm gonna do month first plus, and then we're gonna do day of month plus, and then plus year. So now whenever you click OK, I'm gonna set the text view dot set text to be the formatted date. One more thing, make sure to dismiss the date picker, because if you don't, it might give you some problems with the window and stuff. So make sure you do that and you'll get no problems. And of course put the semicolon, and now let's test our app. Just letting you guys know, my minimum SDK version was 30, that's why this showed deprecated, but I changed it to 20 and now it's not deprecated. Just letting you guys know. Alright, and let's run our app on Pixel 4 X large. Alright, so I launched my app and let's see if it works correctly. Select the date, get the dates, say February 17, 2016, right? And boom, it works. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button. Comment down what you don't understand. I am literally checking the comments like every hour. I'll try my, I'm telling you, 99% I'll be able to see your comment and try to answer you. But if I don't answer, I'll just let you know that I don't know. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. More videos to come. Next week I'm gonna upload 3 videos. Like each week I'm gonna upload 3 videos. Alright guys, if you like the video, again, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.